of Bicol Region 3, none other than Eagle Regional Governor Kuya Vincent Benjamin Barzaga. May I humbly present to you the 18 applicants of the 3 clubs under your region after having undergone their orientation seminar recently here at the same venue earlier. Pouring on behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, I do believe our 18 applicants are now ready for their induction. May I request everyone to kindly stand. Kahit ang mga friends of Eagles, ang audience, mga kuya natin sa presidential table, inaanyayahan ang lahat tumayo for the solemnity of the induction proceedings. Kuya Gov, Vincent, the honor is yours.
Good evening, mga kuya. Pray, please raise your right hand and follow after me. I state heavily, consciously, and freely apply to be a member of State the Eagle Club, a club duly affiliated with the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, subscribing to its Eagle Constitution, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal social-civil organization, do I hereby solemnly make an oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Eagles Constitution, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delegate DESA and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment related to my dealings with the Philippine Eagles, my region, club, and with my fellow Eagle. So help me God. Congratulations, mga kuya.
Congratulations, mga kuya! Mabuhay natin na! Lights on, please! Lights on, and once the lights are lit, pwede natin patayin ang ating kandila. So congratulations sa ating 18 na bagong mga kuya. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga bagong kuya. Pakipatay na po ang ating kandila. And once the candles are wala na, may request. Ang mga mahal sa buhay ng ating mga kuya, kung narito, kindly come forward for the penning of the Eagles pin. Kung wala pong kasama, maaaring yung mga regular members natin, kindly do the honors and the penning of the Eagles pin.
Service for a crew of humanity. The Eagles, the Eagles, as the peace and of the creation. The Eagles, heroes of the nation. For God who we answer is equality and unity. With some love and care, we will share our life humanity. We